Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of file path too long error on the Epic Games. Now in order to fix that issue is causing because the file path that you have selected to save your games is too large to store or it's too long. So in order to make it short, just simply open your this PC, then create a new folder in your D drive or any other drive and copy that specific path from here. I would recommend you to create a simple Epic Games folder in your any other drive other than C drive. Then come back to the Epic Games launcher again. Go to your profile on the top left corner. Then go to settings. Then here scroll down and go to the download settings. And in here you need to simply change the download path to that small folder path that you have just created, and it will definitely gonna solve your problem.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.